3 ways to improve confidence in English speaking. If you feel nervous and are afraid of making a mistake when speaking English, then confidence is your problem. But no problem. You can increase your confidence by following these steps. Step number 1. Not worrying too much about grammar. Native and non-native English speakers still can understand what you mean if you make some minor mistakes. Indeed, the grammar of spoken English is often more flexible than written English grammar. Step number 2. Be positive. Celebrate what you know and don't be frustrated about what you don't know. Step number 3. Another good way is to practice speaking English as much as possible in less pressurized situations. For example, talk to yourself, talk with your teachers and friends in English class. Another topic is focus on fluency. Focus on fluency, not grammar. Point number 1. When you speak in English, how often do you stop? The more you stop, the less confident you sound and the less comfortable you become. Point number 2. Try to speak in front of mirror but challenge yourself to speak without stopping or stammering. Talking pauses between your friends the entire time. Point number 3. This might mean that your sentences won't be grammatically perfect, and that is okay. If you focus on speaking fluently instead of correctly, you will still be understood and you will sound better. You can fill in the correct grammar and word rulesses, you learn them better. And all the viewers, thank you very much for watching. Take care, best of luck.